I can't keep up with your style. I can't keep up with your style.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This video is for drop C# tuning. Let me know in the comment section below what song you are trying to play. Good luck, let's get started. Select the first string and match this number so that it's about -33. Next string. Make sure this number is about -12. Next string. Again, about -12. Again, about -12. It's gonna be the same for the next strings. -12. Again, -12 or -11. It's close enough. And if you press on the third fret in the lowest string, actually select this string first. And if you hit it, it should be about in the middle. Same for the first fret on the other strings. It's close. And so on. Congratulations, you are now in drop C# tuning. I hope you liked this video. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you again next time. Peace.